If you're sitting parked in your Toyota hybrid vehicle and your gasoline combustion engine suddenly starts and then shuts off and then starts again, don't panic. Because in almost every case, this is exactly what it's designed to do. And in this video, I'll explain exactly why this is the case and when it might not be necessarily normal for this to happen a little later in this video, so make sure you stick around. Also, a few quick things. I'm going to leave a free 50-page long hybrid ebook guide down in the description below so you guys can get a free copy of everything Toyota hybrid related when you're talking about how it works, what to expect for performance, efficiency, how to maximize efficiency, what to expect for maintenance. And if you already own a Toyota hybrid vehicle, I'm going to leave an available for purchase hybrid ebook toolkit guide that is a little bit more informative and a little bit more in depth in terms of, like, there's, for example, a few checklists on there. It tells you some do's and don'ts for Toyota hybrid ownership. I'll leave a link as well to that. And if you appreciate content relating to hybrid Toyotas like this, consider subscribing to the Toyota World YouTube channel. It would really mean a lot to me. Right, so picture this, you're sitting at your kid's school or at your spouse's place of work with your Toyota hybrid vehicle on, but in the park position in relation to the gear, and it's completely silent because it's a hybrid and it's generally running on the electric motors and electric components, but suddenly the gasoline engine abruptly starts, runs for 10, 15, 20 seconds, and then shuts off. But then it happens again and again. Let me explain what's going on here. So in most cases, this is completely normal behavior for a Toyota hybrid vehicle, and there's many different reasons why this happens. Some may not be for the better or for the good. Again, stick around. But let's start off with, in a Toyota hybrid, you're not really idling. So understand this, a Toyota hybrid vehicle doesn't operate like a traditional gasoline only vehicle that has no electrical components in terms of motors or hybrid parts. So here's some common sense that's not so common. In a regular gasoline combustion vehicle, let's say a Toyota, previous generation, or a Corolla, when you're sitting parked and you're in the park position, neutral, drive, whatever it is, but your foot's on the brake and the vehicle's not moving, your gasoline combustion engine and powertrain system is actually idling, which means the combustion engine is still running, but it's running very, very low RPMs. What's the general RPM for idling? I'm not too sure. Let's say it's somewhere around 800 to 1300 RPM. It doesn't really get higher than that I'm aware of. For most vehicles until you start to pound on the accelerator. But in any event, your gasoline combustion engine in a regular non-hybrid or electrified vehicle is still actually running, and that's called idling. This is not the case, and this is not how things work with a hybrid Toyota. When you get into your Toyota hybrid vehicle and you press start and you're not moving, you're still sitting in parked, or when you're already driving and you transition to a parking position, your vehicle is actually fully operational, even if there's no sign of the gasoline engine being on and it's completely off. And you can say that this is where many new Toyota hybrid owners get a little bit confused as to how things work. Again, some general common sense that might not be so common, which is why you have me. Again, thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. There's about 90% of you that watch these videos on a regular basis who aren't subscribed, and I'm a little bit hurt by that. So if you can do me a favor and subscribe, that'd be great. So when you are in a Toyota hybrid vehicle and you start it or you're idling, the electric motors can actually start moving and driving the vehicle immediately once you're started and in ready mode and you go into the driving position for your gear selector, even if the gasoline combustion engine is not running. The way they're designed is the electric motors are what gets started first and what propels everything to start going and moving as you need to drive. Seeing or having the gasoline engine off while your vehicle is on is completely normal. Okay, but I didn't really answer the question, why, when the electric motors are just operating the vehicle and getting your vehicle on, why does the gasoline combustion engine suddenly start if you haven't even touched the gas pedal? Okay, so here the main reason is actually very simple. The hybrid powertrain system or hybrid battery doesn't power itself forever. While you're parked and in ready mode, the vehicle is still drawing and using a lot of electricity. For example, the air conditioning, the heater blower if you're in the winter, the radio, the headlights, the dashboard, and all the other computers, and dozens of electronic control modules that all draw power from the hybrid battery, and of course your 12-volt battery as well. So here's what happened, and here's what starts to get your gasoline combustion engine turning on, even though you're not touching anything, specifically the gas pedal. As the battery charge drops to a predetermined level set by the manufacturer, the hybrid control computer automatically gets the gasoline engine started. Its job isn't necessarily to move your vehicle, its job is to recharge the hybrid battery. How smart is that? Here's a scenario. Let's say that you're sitting parked idling for 15-20 minutes waiting for someone, in the mall or at school. You can definitely see and have happen your gasoline combustion engine cycle on and off many times, 3-4 times, 6-7 times, whatever the case is, and it's completely normal because once the battery reaches the desired charge level, again predetermined by the manufacturer, you can say the engine will then again shut off. Then the cycle repeats whenever necessary or whenever the power level or charge level reaches too low in the hybrid system. The super cool part here is everything happens automatically and you don't really need to set or touch anything, which is pretty cool. This system is actually quite similar to something like a home generator. For example, think of your hybrid battery like a rechargeable backup battery. Imagine you have a generator at your home. The battery powers your house for a while, but when the battery gets low, the generator automatically starts and kicks on, recharges the battery, and then shuts back off. That's essentially what your Toyota Hybrid is doing when you're sitting parked idling. The gasoline engine acts like a generator, the hybrid battery stores energy, and the hybrid computer decides exactly when charging is needed. Now, weather plays a huge factor into how often this will happen and how often your gasoline combustion engine will cycle on and off. For example, if it's drastically hot outside and you have the AC blaring, or if it's drastically cold outside and you have the AC blaring as well, you will draw power faster from your electrical batteries and components, meaning your gasoline combustion engine will have to turn on more frequently. Guys, if you didn't know, the ideal operating temperature for a Toyota Hybrid system is 25 degrees. So if it's drastically colder or hotter than that, you'll see certain things like this start to happen more often. So your gasoline engine being used more, and that doesn't change when you're idling. Now, as I promised earlier in this video, when should you be concerned that something like this is happening? Most of the time, your engine turning on and off while you're parked and not driving is really completely normal, almost all the time. But here's when you should be slightly concerned. If you're sitting parked idling for 10-15 minutes and you start off with all your electrical components only, and then your gasoline combustion engine cycles on but doesn't shut off for the remainder of the time, whether it's 5 minutes, 10 minutes, your gasoline engine's always starting, that could potentially be a cause of concern and something that you should get checked out the next time you visit your Toyota dealer. Suddenly, if hybrid warning lights start appearing or showing up on the dashboard while you're sitting parked, this is also something you should have checked. If you notice any unusual noises coming from underneath the hood or anywhere else in the vehicle, or if your hybrid battery charge drops unusually quickly, this is also something to keep an eye on. But when things like this happen, there's a few reasons that you can point at to say, what's going on. And the one that sticks out the most is hybrid high voltage battery degradation. Maybe your Toyota Hybrid isn't really too new anymore and your hybrid battery is starting to degrade and hold less power. It could also mean that there's cooling system issues. All Toyota Hybrid high voltage batteries have some type of cooling fan and cooling system, so it could be a potential issue with that. It could be gasoline combustion engine problems or faults within the hybrid control system. Fortunately, you're driving a Toyota and these concerns are really not so common. In other words, to summarize this video, if you're sitting parked and you notice that your gasoline engine keeps turning on and off and on and off, it's actually completely normal, and your Toyota hybrid components and Toyota hybrid vehicle is actually designed to do this for all the reasons I just mentioned. I hope you enjoyed this video topic and review, and maybe you learned something and I answered some questions. If I did, smash a thumbs up and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.